March 17, 2025, marks a pivotal moment. HubSpot Insights will be gone, leaving users in chaos. Breeze Intelligence, HubSpot's new system, comes with a hefty price tag and fewer features. Frustrated users watch as essential data insights are stripped away, replaced with rigid credit packs. Imagine needing to pay for every single CRM update that used to be automatic and free. No more automatic updates or key data, every enhancement now drains your budget with each credit. Luckily, there's a better solution for savvy businesses looking for flexibility. Meet Bouncer. Bouncer offers high-quality data enrichment without the wastefulness of credit-based systems. It's totally free. Say goodbye to restrictions. Bouncer supports personal emails and provides the data you truly need. Why settle for limited features? Bouncer includes LinkedIn profiles and essential company details instead. Take back control over your data management today. Bouncer is the smarter choice. Why pay more for less?